Hey guys, Mike here. I'm going to show you a nifty new tool. This is called a snap-on TechAngle torque wrench, electronic torque wrench. This thing's pretty cool and it's going to help me put the flywheel on because the flywheel requires a very special procedure. First we have to torque these bolts to 16 foot-pounds. Then once we get to 16 foot-pounds we have to turn them another 120 degrees. Now we could approximate that, but I like to be precise. So here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to set my cool torque wrench to 16 foot-pounds, and we're going to get started going diagonally across, going as far away from each other as we can until we get all of these 8 bolts torqued up to 16. So let's get started. 16. Got that one already. See, and that's pretty cool. It shows me exactly how much torque I've put on that. I'm just going to double check them now. There's the one I missed. All right, so we're all at 16. Now that they're all 16 foot-pounds, we're gonna change our torque wrench to angles. We're gonna go to 120 degrees. So here we go. This wrench will actually measure how much I turn the screw under pressure. 2, 3, 4, 5, 10, 20, 30. 68, 90, 115, 16, 17, 120 degrees. That's pretty cool, right? Yeah, I thought so too. Let's do another one. So that shows me I went 122 degrees, a little bit over, and I put a total of 82 foot-pounds on there. That's pretty cool, huh? So that shows me I went 120 degrees in somewhere around 89.6 foot-pounds. That's pretty neat.